In today's video, how to check deleted messages in WhatsApp. Go to your phone settings and tap on notifications. Scroll down until find WhatsApp and tap on it. Make sure the all options are turned on. Please ensure that you receive notification whenever a message is sent to you. Swipe down from the top left of your screen to view recent notifications, and if message has been deleted in WhatsApp, it will still appear in your notification center if notifications were enabled. If you deleted chat in WhatsApp and want to recover it, you can restore it from the backup. Open WhatsApp and then tap on settings icon, then tap on chats and then tap on chat backup. Note date and time of your last backup. If your deleted messages were included in this backup, you can restore WhatsApp to this date. To do this, delete app. Go to App Store or Play Store, download and install WhatsApp again. During this setup process, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chat history from the last backup. Follow prompts to restore your chats, including deleted messages.